Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Choma fans on the TV, it's the Nedbank Cup, CS Galaxy 1, Milford 1, CS Galaxy wins via penalties. I'm joined by Roy.
Yes, Tibo.
Ngisangiphathimani?
Kunjani Tibo?
Ngiyaphila kunjani ba?
Ngiyaphila.
Yes.
Kunalento ebhalwe eBhayibhelini.
Ithi
bathi mene teken hufaseni. Kubhaliwe ukuthi ukuthi iCup eNedbank this season iya ku CS Galaxy.
Which Bible?
So uma ngabe bakhona labashoka angeke sizwe ngeChiefs angeke ithathe because of sikhuluma abantu abaphumile Jeremiah go and read your Bible. Mr. Quinn was good on verses.
Mateo. It's Mateo. Guess what? Guess again. Which child?
Lalela Sibo. In that Nedbank Cup. TS Galaxy. The reason being, they are the giant killers. Yeah. In that Nedbank Cup. Uma ubheka igame midfield ne.
Yes.
It's a good team.
Yes.
Yeah, back position 1. Dabahlezi khona. And then uma uba compare ne Durban City.
Yes.
iDurban City number 1. La ihleli khona. So kusho ukuthi
the standard is not the same.
No, ifootball yabo right. Khumbula ukuthi Milford ikhiphe wapha ama team. Yeah. So isithinda sabo sefootball si right. Yabona. So basilekezile igame but inkinga ba failure ukuyiqedela.
Ngiyakubamba.
So TS Galaxy. Come next season. I'm a defending champion. In Nedbank Cup. Le uyibhale leyo. Ukuthi uzindonga uzokora ngathi. But yona not it down ukuthi and nginosicelo Sithibo da. Ukuthi iNedbank Cup. Sicela ukuthi ifinal bayise eMbombela.
Why?
Reason being. Last season ifinally idlale eMoses Mabhida nayo thathwa ilaba abakhuluma kakhulu
Ithethwe ngathi menku
bayithethe nge-AI so
don't make a mistake baba.
So manje this season for the benefit of Nedbank ama fans ukuthi akhona ku Sold Out Stadium ngona bayise kuphi eMbombela
ngiyakubamba
yabona because nabangayisa Peter Mokaba abekho abantu abazokuya and thina asifuni ukuthi ama Chiefs ayominya hence you heard them bafuna babinyela iDurban City eDurban City phansi standard kune Milford now iDurban City mawanike Milford owine Milford
ngiyakuthola
yabona so mina man of the match according to mina uMbunjana why ngisho kanjalo uthi makangena wa change igame le goal la kuze silithole kungenxa yakhe so ngokuya ngami ngabe bayinikeze yena because he's a game changer.
True. Siyabonga Ruma. Uzwile mosleloni 9000 kumele uyithathe mangakora uzindonga umnandi ungakhipha umama umise
urukore wena
uyangithola
manje is it specifically ukuthi ufuna ukore izindonga ofuna ukore omunye nomunye game
omunye nomunye ijersey number yakhe mara mina mangibheka man ngithi maybe uzindonga lo angachayisa
kulalo mfana wakangwe ongenile wa change igame
jersey number
ngohle jersey number uma ngabe iTS Galaxy uma singafaka lo mfana from the beginning definitely uzokora
ngiyakubamba
so Sithibo I'm off to Nelspruit
sure kwambe kahle baba wami